Hi and welcome to making a cabin in Sketchup. To begin with, I always go to View, to Toolbars, and I make sure I have the large tool set chosen. Then I click Close, and you'll have the toolbar just like I do. I start out by using the Rectangle tool. I make a rectangle, approximately this size. I use the Push-Pull tool, and we're going to pull it up above his head. I'll orbit and bring it down just a little bit, and then we're going to the center of each of the ends of this rectangle. Now we're going to change to the Move tool. We'll take the Move tool, we'll highlight the line that's in the center, and we will pull it up. How much you pull it up depends on you, but you want to pay particular attention that you're on the blue axis. Now from this point, we're going to change to a different tool. This is the Offset tool. We'll come over and highlight the area on the end, and we're going to pull out so we have just a small edge, just about like this. Then we'll use our Push-Pull tool, and we're going to push it in approximately right here. This is going to be our porch. For the moment, I can take and I will select the man. I'll move him for a moment. You might have a woman in yours. It depends on what version you're using. But the person has been moved. Now I'm going to look here, and I'm going to create the open areas for the porch. I'll use the Rectangle tool. Start perhaps at the bottom. Pull it up to where it's touching. Take the Push-Pull tool. Come over. And I'll show you what I'm doing here. I'll tilt it a little bit so you can see. I'm going to come over and I'm going to push it out. I'm going to use this back edge as my guide. That way, it's gone. I'll do the same thing on the other side. I'm going to move it over just a little bit. Orbit it. Use my Rectangle tool. Draw the rectangle. Then I'll use the Push-Pull tool, and I'll push it out using this as my reference, and you can see it's gone on both sides. I'm going to zoom out just a bit, and now we're going to make our doorway. I like to start out by finding the center, so we'll start at the center, and I'll work my way down to the center here. This will give me a reference so that I can put this doorway just about in the center. Start about here. I'll come up to maybe here. That looks pretty good. I'll also put a window. I'm going to use this polygon tool, and we're going to put a little bit different looking window right here in the top. At this point, we can go to the eraser. We don't really need this line anymore, so we're going to get rid of it in all these areas right here. Now we're ready for the windows. We'll go back to the Rectangle tool. We'll come over, draw one window, and then we'll come about the same distance away, and we will draw a second window. Now we're ready to go back to the Offset tool. The Offset tool will allow me to take and go to the center, pull out and make trim, to the center, pull out and make some trim. I'll do the same thing for the other areas. There we go. Now we're going to make our windows halfway open, so we'll come here to the midpoint, come across, do the same thing on the other side. We'll make the door handle while we're at this point. So I'll zoom in on the door. I'll say a handle might look pretty good right around in here, so I will draw it. There we go. Let's try that again. That looks pretty big. One more time. There we go. I'll leave it at that. So that will be my door handle. I'm going to pull out, and now we're going to add some color so you can have a little perspective on what's going on. We'll use the paint can. The roofing seems to be open there, so I'll start with roofing, and I'll add my roof. The next thing I might want to go to would be perhaps some wood. So I'll go to the wood. I'll go to the original cherry. I'll make my door that color. I'll go to the wood floor planking and make that for the bottom. I'll also do the same thing for the top. And then for the, let's see, what else would look good here? This might look pretty good on the sides. So I'll do this for my beams. There we go. For my outside and for my siding, I will go to brick and cladding. In this case, I'll choose this tan cladding. I'll get the outsides. Now, of course, on yours, you'll need to continue and do the other sides. I'm just showing you right now one side, but your project will be all of the sides. Let's come in with perhaps some color. We'll go with the colors. I'll pick named ones, and I'll choose a color that I might like for my trim. Since I like green, I'll go in with the forest green, and I will make the trim forest green. I'll even make my door handle green. We're going to go back to the, let's see, what will we use? We will use, I guess, glass and mirrors. And we'll come over and grab a color of glass, and we'll make sure that we put the glass there, there, and here. Well, you know what I'm looking for is maybe some curtains. So I'm going to go over to my carpet and fabrics. That doesn't look like that's where I want to be. Instead, let's go down to window coverings. That's really where I want it to be. I'll choose this bamboo for blinds. I'll add it in, and you can see that this looks pretty good. What might dress it up just a little bit more is if I were to take this person, select them, use the movement tool, and maybe place them on the porch. I'll take the highlight away from them, and you can see, there we are, with a small cabin with a porch. Thanks.